So in their unhappy, heartbroken condition, because they can't find Krishna, they are desperate, they are anxious. And Shukamuni says they are vibram, and then they're pramad, and then they're unmad. They're becoming mad, madder, and maddest, completely puggle, crazy. Where is Krishna? Somebody tell us, where is Krishna? Where is he? Show us the path. Have you seen him pass this way? Where is he? This is love. One cannot exist without the beloved. This is real love. So this is the modern situation. The gopis are, you're our prananath. What does Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say? Ashlishyava paratam panashtumam darshanam mamatam karotuva. Yata tata va vidadatu lampato mat prananatas tusa eva naparaha. Naparaha. For Radharani and the gopis, there's no one else. There's only one and one only. And the one and only is Krishna, Gopinath, Govinda, Sham Sundar. And he's their Prananath and Priyatam. So the atom and the neutrons and protons, they're inseparable. If you separate the protons from the neutrons, they make a lot of noise and they really complain. If you go into the atoms and say, listen, you protons, you've been dancing around with these neutrons for too long. So now it's time to split up, get divorced. So when the neutrons and protons get divorced, it makes a hell of a, they really yell and scream a lot. They want to be together and they want to keep spinning around inside the atom. So when you do that, boom, it's called atom bomb, neutron bomb, and this kind of bomb, and bum, bum, bum. So this is, the hearts explode when the lovers are separated. Such love we have no perception of, and we never will. Not in this age.